Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can repost a story on Facebook. Please friends, subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to put your likes and write comments at the end of the video. So let us get started with you. First of all, open the Facebook application. After that, find a story that you would like to repost to yourself. Go to that person's story. And in the left-hand corner, click on that arrow. Next, select Share. And as you can see, now we have that person's story. You can zoom in, zoom out, move it around as you like. You can also add a picture of the person, write some text, make this story whatever you want. After that, in order to publish it, you click Publish. And now, that story, as you can see, is published to my story. This is the simple way, friends, you can easily repost the story on Facebook. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments, give your likes, and see you soon.